Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools like a new headlight bulb and some clean gloves. Always ensure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. For an added layer of safety, it's a good practice to disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This prevents any accidental electrical issues while you're working. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. You'll need to locate the headlight assembly, which is typically found behind the bumper. Depending on your specific model, you might need to remove a few clips or screws that hold the splash guard in place. Once those are out, carefully pull back the wheel well liner. This will give you the necessary space to reach the headlight housing and the bulb. With access gained, the next step is to replace the bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, usually with a gentle twist, remove the old bulb from its housing. When installing the new bulb, always handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly shorten the bulb's lifespan. After installing the new bulb, reattach the electrical connector firmly and ensure the bulb is securely seated in its housing. Then, carefully put the wheel well liner back into place and reattach any clips or screws for the splash guard. Finally, reconnect your battery's negative terminal and test your new headlight to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.